already. So my friend Gary and I are very much enjoying our visit here in Bangalore, and one of the highlights was just this morning when we came to Madame's kitchen, and she taught us how to make a typical Rajasthani meal. It's actually not South Indian because we learned to make dosa the other day, but we had breads from Rajasthan and beautiful dal and curry and sweets and everything. And it was so much fun to both learn how to make it, but especially eating it up afterward. So now I think it's probably time for a good nap because we had a big meal. I couldn't stop eating, and we're so happy to meet Raksha and to experience her hospitality here.
Yes. How about you, sir?
Well, we have tried many different thalis, and this one is very special because not just learn about the delicious food, but also each ingredient have a health benefit. And so to me, this is a very holistic experience because health and wellness and food all come together. It's just like the time that we walk in the building, we are greeted with a glass of rose syrup water, and it's just nice and refreshing. Thank you.
And how was your experience teaching to them?
It was so good to talk about our culture, and they were so interested. And of course, they are so keen to learn about our different kinds of thali, and especially Rajasthan. They liked it. So it was a good experience.
We also took advantage of this experience to learn more about Jainism. Raksha is a Jain, and I knew a little bit, but not much, and she's been very patient with all of my questions about that and explaining things. So it wasn't just about cooking, but really was a broad cultural experience here.
And one thing I learned about is I learned to love little animals. So next time when there's a mosquito come to me, I would just take it away instead of hit it.
You can even feed the food also.
To the mosquito?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, you mean to keep on my
yes.
Yeah, so they learned about Jainism also.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
so everybody, we highly recommend that you have a cooking class here with Raksha and book with 5 Senses Tours.
Thank you.
Thank you.